Hello, my name is Nick and I'm gonna teach you how to play Wish You a Merry Christmas today. So, first up, my version of this song goes in the key of F major. We're gonna start off with a series of triads going like this. A 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we have here is an F major, played like this, so with the F on the top, C and A. So, and also feel free to use like hybrid picking, finger picking, or just the plectrum. It's all up to you how you want to learn this. But I prefer using like a combination of the plectrum and the fingers. So, anyways, here we have F. And we have the melody on the top usually, so. Then we are going to a B flat and D, slide down to B and F, so it's sort of like a B flat major chord. So, and also try to let the notes ring as well when you play the triad. So. Yeah, and then we're on to the next one. Same thing happening here. G major triad. Slide down to the C here. So C and E, C and G. So, and then we're up to a major triad. So. Then for the next phrase we have this. And here we have a G minor 7, hammer on. And yeah, then we have F major with G in the bass. Do a little slide there to G and D. And to C and F, so. Yeah, and just pick those. And then we have this short melody here, which I mute them. Then we're back to the melody again. But this time, instead of going down and sliding, we're gonna play a like a sort of a counter melody. So, and I play it like this. So I just go straight into the next chord, so slide back and forth on the B flat to C, C, B flat, A and F, D, E, F, and try to like slide into that chord right there. So, you get like that smooth feeling, like that. And same old melody. So yeah, and also this chord right here, I like to sort of arpeggiate it almost, like so, like keep it on the back end so it gets that sort of loose feel to it. So experiment, try it out. So don't just. That sounds a bit like straightforward, or for me at least, so. And then just the melody. And then we have a series of chords as sort of like the B section here before going into the solo, starting with D minor 7, B11, and then we have C11 with the melody there, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So D minor 7, B11, C11 with a melody. So that's just C and E. Slide down to the fourths here on A and D. Pull off to G and C. And then we have a D7, played like this. So D, F sharp, and C. Also, I have to tell you that for this B section, we switched from 4 to 6/8. So we're not in 4/4 anymore. But yeah. Then we have this G minor 9th with the A on top. And then we have F, F add 9 with A in the bass, or you can look at it as A minor 7 with a sharp 5 with the F on the top there. So then we have a D flat major 7 played like this, going to a D flat major with an F in the bass and a D flat on top. So then we have E flat major 7. We also have a C major without the 3rd with the D in the bass, played like this. I'm just borrowing that and have the pinky here on the G. So to an E flat 11. So once again, in time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're on to the solo section. And here we have to be a bit careful because after you play the final chord, you only have three beats before you're going into the solo section. So we have, it goes like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. And then we have a F minor pentatonic. So we have modulated to A flat major, but yeah, you can look at it as an F minor pentatonic because we're starting on F. So we're just building up. So F minor starting here, diatonically up. And here on the top, playing the 9th, the G. Finishing off on a bend there on B flat, bending up to C. And, add a little blues to that as well. And then we have just C, E flat, F. And we're sort of gonna follow the track here. We're gonna play like simultaneously with some hits here. So. And then we have. So once again, then we just have an ascending melody going up to a reference to another Christmas carol. So starting on E flat, we were sort of playing A flat diatonically here. Slide up to that E flat and play. Yeah, just like that. So once again. And then we have this spicy sort of dominant lick going like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's sliding up to G. And then just do a chromatic descending with a pull off and a slide. Up to the G again. C. Bending up and down from G to A flat. C. So C there. And once again, some blues, bending up to the B. B flat, A flat, so. And just finish up on like that. So slowly once again. Slide there. And finish up on the high A flat. So once again with the dominant lick. F, E flat. Yeah, so that's it. So good luck to you and have a great day.